India, about less than 10 years to conquer the entire Europe. It took, in fact, the Yoruba did less than 10 years. It took them less than 20 years or thereabouts to conquer the north. But it took them decades to conquer the whole of Ebola. So, Ndocha was, because they were the main advisors of the Hausa barrier during the Civil War, before the war, and even now. The Emperor had to pull back small Boko Haram and these Islamist terrorists. They said in their meeting, now part of Mary Igbo to Eddie Kahani, but they are our Republican nature, our Republicans. Therefore, I was in the secondary school, I was about to get quiet when the decree for Igbo chieftaincy, Igbo chieftaincy in the eastern region, east central state, but in 1975 after the war. So by 1976, one in Old Anambra and one in Imo. I will not go with you. Upon my assistant, you will be with a Libra before. Because school jobs, Monday for 1 night. Monday, the outside, the outside, Monday, the became started being with all Jack I got 44 years, and one of the problems in the Lagos Igbos, they are part of the problems with the land. And now you cause what problem and I'm in time here now, President of China, and I'm in time where from. That's one. 2, our political leadership was hijacked. Oh no, Ma Eponia and the House. I can never be anything. 2 times have been appointed governor, commissioner. On one of the occasions, I was blackmailed before the mail. That number radical. I'm the good way I was challenging. My name was after doing 2 security training. The second time was under the same blackmail. My friend Ates, even though we're not too close, at that time, he drove me, or convoy, I was in front. I got a government and one. Also, I counted as well. Few days when the announcement was made, for you to be a senator, of course, in the ministry appointment, there was a time I was close to have another story. Because of their irredentism, I proved that. At the time I ran to the National Secretary of AMP, the George Man, who had supported me, she capital all this supply. But why did I leave? I define and then there are also one of my car, but we need the National Caucus. I define and they take a decision. When we take the decision now, I take a decision. I know the very thing. I will have the explanation of politics. Now, with all this, you could see that the Igbo leadership, as it were, has been under pressure. Now, before you roll anything, you try to come on Senator Nenny. You was a got through. You have never what you saw, my weekend, they do outside. Now, I like you do outside. Or because if you want to be anything meaningful, you have to be there. Before the kind of before the sign agreement, before the kind of EFCC and other institutions of government to subdue. That is why you have the situation you have in England. And when I've gone through this long memory there, so that you people will begin to find solutions. Finally, on this. For a true, authentic Igbo leadership to emerge, few things must be done. Few things must be done. Ways and means. How? And otherwise, no follow the youth. And I say, no harm occurred. They will HRL. All the time. But remember, now only bullying what you offer will be there. And the only Jojo, he mere me agakwa, he mere me. Because those enslaving institutions and processes they are also in place to return power to us are still here. Here between our generation, the page and the few examples. The average age of people who are in the local government system, to House of Assembly to commissioners, is between 25 and 40 hours. Many of them have never bought a car in their life. The first thing they will know, they are so much for me, they are so for his wife, they are wrong on me. Or someone. The opening had that ball which you and you'll be asking yourself why. And many of them still serve with their can talk to them and genuflect before them. Care with the second time. And you people have not asked yourself why. The problem is not just. Now older generation decided to sell out on Angola. But nobody here you see me that you may not believe what you can put a man nomination. But you go before the local government chairman, before Sav was there. You may also not believe that I will initiate the Ken man, the politics. But how long you go in the house? You won't go far. You are not going anywhere. So that leads me to the next issue. Now, what are the effects of this state of affairs? To describe and all that. They created local government. See now so what they part of what they did to hold us down, enough local governments, so one can federal character and federal character no another time is in the constitution there, federal character and something else. That's now given our population, given our need. We are not getting enough. The one with all in Nigeria can they use landmass as a basis for the allocation of natural resources. So what are the effects? First of all, the first noticeable effect is Igbo leadership, dishonesty and timidity. The who govern, president, they were busy Jonathan. I won't ask you, I won't elaborate because all we hear them our senators cannot talk because all aware that Nandiji party getting a ticket or just second time have decided that he won't go back. It happened to Obiora. It happens to so many other Igbo patriotic senators, House of Reps. So he just a guy he won't go again. He doesn't right or they won't talk. One of the other effects, brain drain, our best people are overseas. I were meeting I were somewhere, informal meeting though, and we were brainstorming intellectually. Man, I say that now one of my greatest problems, I would read and live in a job. No, Haji, some of them don't speak Igbo, some deny their Igbo-ness, some deny their Igbo tribe. I said they're no longer in it. And I am talking of about 5 million people, both in Europe, Asia, and the Americas are affected. So, India Hausa strategically are depopulating us. But I know what affair now as an advantage in any way in the world. Not an advantage. That could be true. But I can tell you that Igbo people are being depopulated. And the whole thing is to ensure that we are weak in terms of demography. And Onyobuna, one American philosopher said, Onyobuna is identity, which is what is happening now. The children born overseas don't know their background, they don't know. No, you are not in a catatonic state. Catatonic state is what they are function. If only are not children.